Do you think 3D printing will ever be faster than injection molding?
Nope.
Will 3D printing ever, in a million years, be faster than good old injection molding?
Not a chance.
In the last 140 plus years, injection molding has become the process of choice for bulk plastic manufacturing. Even with all the promises of 3D printing, industry observers have asserted that it could never be as fast as injection molding. I'm here at 3D Systems to break the news to them. 3D printing being faster than injection molding, that's definitely fiction. I'm here to meet Thanks.
If you plot out the build speeds of 3D printing over the last 20 to 30 years, what you'll find is that it's continuously got faster. And if it continues in this trend, we're going to see more and more lean, same-day, on-demand manufacturing coming from 3D printers, a true alternative to injection molding.
Yeah, right. How could that even happen?
Lots of R&D, better materials, more powerful lasers, bigger machines. It's Moore's Law at work. We're doubling 3D printing capabilities every 18 months. This has been happening for over 10 years, and it continues to do so. Injection molding systems, on the other hand, it's leveling off. It's a mature technology, and it's not getting any faster.
It's some kind of joke.
Let me give you an example. We recently printed 2,400 mini lampshades on an SLA machine, and it took about 20 hours. That's 30 seconds per part.
Plus, with 3D printing, you don't have to wait weeks for tooling. You can easily iterate designs. You can be manufacturing faster.
Is this true? "3D printing is that fast?" 3D printing is that fast. It's a fact.